You know, we can all get so caught up in the latest political news that we let other news, real news, slip right by us. So let me catch up on one recent story you might have missed. This was the page one headline in the New York Times. Study discovers roadmap of DNA, a key to biology. And one of the subheads, genetic switches offer vital clues to how disease begins. It seems that there's lots more information in our DNA, our genetic code, than scientists had previously believed. That bits of DNA they used to think of as junk, their word for it, with absolutely no value, that this junk DNA actually contains millions of tiny switches that, well, here I'll quote, that turn out to play critical roles in controlling how cells, organs, and other tissues behave. The discovery, considered a major medical and scientific breakthrough, has enormous implications for human health, enormous implications, because many complex diseases appear to be caused by tiny changes in hundreds of gene switches. Amazing. Now, all this new research comes from a project called ENCODE. It's kind of a successor to the Human Genome Project back a decade or so, but with tons more data. 15 trillion bytes of raw data, they say. Analyzing it took the equivalent of 300 plus years of computer time. So how'd they do it? Well, the findings, it says, are the fruit of an immense federal project involving 440 scientists from 32 laboratories around the world. Let me repeat that. The fruit of an immense federal project. In fact, that was the other headline. See, large federal project. I guess they didn't have room to say immense. Since the project started back in 2003, the federal government has spent nearly $300 million on ENCODE. Now, there are certain folks, maybe you're one of them, who are against government spending for just about anything. Right now, you're saying, there they go again, spending our tax dollars, picking winners and losers. That's exactly what they're doing. The winners are health, human progress, knowledge. The losers are disease and ignorance. I'd call that a pretty good investment.